Hey guys, Glitch here. Today I'm just going to show you a small setup video of my gaming setup. I got a couple things here. Got a nice computer desk. Got the G502 Hero mouse, Logitech. Got the Ducky 1-2 Mini, purple. And then got the Acer 240 Hertz monitor. Got some speakers here. Here's a couple Xbox remotes. Got my nice Netgear router. And then the Xbox right under that. Then down here we got the PC. It's a i7 9700F along with a MSI GeForce 1660 Ti, and then 1 terabyte and two 40 gigabyte SSD. I use the Astro 10 headset, which isn't bad at all. And that's pretty much it. Got a regular computer chair. It's not bad. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next.